would listen to you. I spoke to Ekene. He sounded so broken and unhappy.
This means that you have nothing to do concerning what I told you yesterday.
Nine, what do you want us to do? Okay, please, we're going to do it. But please help me talk to Uloma's father.
I will not go to his house in respect of this matter. I will not.
Baby me, I love you so much. But you see, the problem that I'm having now is that my father is maintaining the same position. And I'm tired of the whole of this shenanigan. Even I told my mother to help us talk to my father on our behalf. And she said, see, Yemi, there is nothing on this earth that will make your father change his mind. Nothing is paining me now.
Yemi, the thing now is not your father.
Oh, my brother-in-law. Welcome.
How are you?
Hi. Good to see you.
You're welcome. Thank you. Yemi, like I was saying, this whole thing is not about your father. It is about you. What is your stand?
Baby me, what do you mean by what is my stand? Do you want me to lose my inheritance? See, if my father die now, everything belongs to me. And let me tell you, my father is suffering from a prostate cancer. And he will never last another 4 to 5 years. So if my father dies now, everything that my father has, all the money, will belong to me. And me and you will enjoy everything. Then I will marry you. Baby.
You do not get it, do you? Did I hear you clearly? Did you just say that I should wait for another 4 years? And then your father will die of his disease, his sickness, before we get married? Is that what you're saying?
Baby me.
Please, I want to understand. Let me ask you a sincere question. Do you know how old I will be in the next 4 years?
Baby, you'll be 36 years old and I will still marry you because I've been waiting for you. Because I love you.
You will wait for me, Yemi?
Yes.
Sincerely? Oh, no.
I love
her. You will wait for me, and then in the next 4 years, you will go find yourself another Yoruba girl that suits you, and then you will leave me hanging on the shelf, isn't it?
It's not like that, you see. Baby me, I love you very much. How can I leave you and go and marry another Yoruba girl? I always remember everything you have been doing for me, how you have always been there for me. How will I now forget all those things and go and marry another Yoruba girl? I will marry you, baby me.
Yemi, take a good look at me. I am a strong girl who can take anything that comes her way. In this field, I am a professional that can fend for herself. Do you understand me? Now, listen. If you cannot stand for yourself, if you cannot stand against your father and make him understand what you want, I do not think that you are the man for me.
Baby.
Let me finish. You can go home, lie on your father's laps, suck your mother's breast, and please leave me the hell alone. You see this rubbish, this nonsense that we think we are having? It's over. I am a very busy person. Do you understand?
Baby me, Masiba for me. Please now, I love you well. Baby, please don't leave alone. Please. Don't do this to me.
Yemi, do you know that if people hear you talk, they will know that you are up to 40 years? They will think it's one 20-something years old boy that is speaking.
It is your love that is intoxicating my...
You disgust me. When you're not talking nonsense, leave my office and lock my door.
Please, it's your love that is intoxicating me. Please, I love Ezine very, very well, please. Ezine! Baby me! Ezine!
What was that fool talking about?
Huh? You do not have the right to call him a fool.
Any man who waits for his father to die so he can inherit is a compound fool.
Ekene, please. I don't have the strength for a quarrel. I don't have that strength right now, Biko. The long and short of the story is that I have ended the nonsense and whatever thing we are having, and that is it. Please help Maka, please.
Okay. Well, I'm just coming from Uloma's house.
My brother-in-law.
Will you get out of this place with your sorry self?
This thing is not good. I know you well. If my father is so die now, the money will become our own.
Like I was saying, I'm just coming from Uloma's house. And the father chased me out and warned me never to be seen around there again. Now you just ended your own relationship with that thing. You see how the world turns around? We used to be the ones to reject everybody. Now we are being rejected by everybody. How old are you? How much time do you still have that you turn people down? Look at it. We keep rejecting people. Now we are the ones who look like fools before the public. Continue with Mama. Keep rejecting people. What is it? Why am I picking the call for?
Sweetheart, I have been calling you.
Listen to me, Uloma. Your father has warned me not to ever come close to you again, that we can't get married. Why don't you leave me alone to pick up my life and move on and make something out of my life? Why are you disturbing me? What is all this? You know this will lead us to nowhere. What is it? Please, do not disturb my line again. I'm begging you.
Please don't do this to me. Please, you can't leave me now. Please. I am ready to risk my father's anger just to be with you. I do not care if he disowns me just to marry you. Please, you can't leave me now, not after everything we've been together. Please. Hello? Hello, are you there?
To my prayers and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you. You, no one else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says, and there's nothing.
Uloma! Uloma just left with the car keys now. Are you not worried about her? What if something happens to her now? I'm talking to you.
Did I send her anywhere? Huh? Did I?
Is that all you have to say?
What else do you want me to say?
Me, I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. I don't want anything to happen to her.
Please, I want to rest.
When your family refused to accept me, I stood by you. I broke a battle in your defense because I thought you loved me.
Uloma. Thank you, Jesus. Hey. Hey, what have I done? Ekene will not destroy my home. Oh, Ekene.
I don't know what is going on. Honestly.
Sister, what do you mean by you don't know what is going on?
Isn't it? I don't know what is going on with you and Ekene. We've always said no to every girl Ekene brought home. Look at the Unoma we accepted. Her father is not helping matters. He has warned Ekene never to be seen with his daughter. I don't know. In all honesty, I don't know if God is trying to pay us in our own coins.
Rejection is not something anyone should go through. It is the worst feeling ever.
Isn't it?
Okay, where are you coming from?
I came to see Mama. I didn't know you were around.
I came to see Mama too.
Oh, is she in?
Yeah, she's inside.
Oh, good. Eoma, meet Ezinne, my elder sister. She's a medical doctor.
Wow.
Ezinne, Eoma.
Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Let's go and see Mama inside. This way.
I like him so, 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 so. Our love got to flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so, 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 so. Our love got to flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so, 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 so. Our love got to flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she be living for me, cause I like him so.
Hello, Ezzy. Sister, good afternoon. I used to come here this evening. I'm already on my way. Is there any problem? Perfect, sister. Please, hurry up and come here now because he can't just walk in here. Has he said anything why he wants to see us? No. But he came in here with one girl like that, looking like one mommy water. You know, I think that is the reason. Mommy water? Yeah. Sister, I am not joking. You need to see this girl. She is looking obviously from the rivers. If this girl on her cha, what I don't understand is where Ekene goes to get all this kind of girls from. He cannot just go somewhere, get a very good girl and marry a decent girl for a wife. I don't get it. He said her name is Osino. Iwoma. What kind of a frightening name is that? That name is frightening now. Is that what the name? Iwoma. Is that an Igbo name? Yeah. Sister Ejukwam, how would I know? I don't know. Don't worry. When I get to the house, I will see her. Has Mama seen her yet? I don't know. They just walked inside now. But do you know, if not for one thing, I would have stopped them from going inside. They will not say, it's in there, started again. They won't enter. But just to avoid issues, I stayed back. It's alright, don't just do anything stupid, okay? Who knows, this one might be a decent one. I wish. Is decent. Where? Sister, come, I'm here waiting for you. Be fast. Biko. Okuleba name he naturally watch and you can idiot. He won't mommy what I get. What are you doing? I'm talking to you.
Ulo, didn't you hear your mother?
I am moving out.
Out? You're moving out? Yeah, and if I may ask, why are you moving out?
I am moving in with Ekene.
What? Ekene? Are you out of your mind?
I am out of my mind, Father. I am leaving before I completely lose it. I am moving in with the man who will help restore my sanity.
Now, will you put back those clothes before I descend on you?
Your threats do not scare me anymore. Right about now, I do not care what you do to me. But please, be fast about it because nothing will stop me from being with the man I love.
Oh, Mama, will you shut up? What has come over you? Do you know the meaning of love? Oh, Mama, tell me. Because you don't know exactly the gravity of what you're doing right now. You want to move in with that little boy that might end up dumping you tomorrow after using you.
I really do not care if I'm just his wife for an hour. It is better than the torture of being stopped by your prejudice and bigotry. Can't you people see that we're in love? Can't you people see that we make each other happy? Ekene isn't even interested in your money. Who told you he is interested in your money or class? He asked me to marry him before he discovered the daughter of who I was. If I do not leave this place tonight, I will end up killing myself and he will kill himself too. Then our blood shall be on your hands. No. Uloma, it has not got into that. Please.
Where do you think you're going? Now, will you put your butt on that bed before I beat the living daylight out of you?
Darling, please calm down. Please, just calm down. Please. She's all I have. Just take it easy now. Take it easy. Please. Darling, please. Please.
Please excuse us.
I should go. No, please. Just take it easy. Please.
Uloma, you know we have a way of discussing issues. So you have to wipe your tears so that we can talk. Okay? You mean you love this guy so much? And it's not one of your passing fads? And you love him so much that you want to be his wife?
Yes. I love him more than the air I breathe.
What of your exams? Your medical exams? You know, you are in the middle of your exams and my dream is for you to be a medical doctor. Are you willing to give up all that just because of this young man?
Being a medical doctor doesn't mean anything to me if Ekene isn't there.
Take it easy, okay? Wipe your tears. Wipe your tears, okay?
Mommy. I'm back. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm fine. No.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey. I know why you're here. Don't worry, I'll go and get it for you. As if I knew you were coming.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay. I'm coming, eh?
Thank you, Ma.
Hey. It's about God, madam. What's up with Dikeh?
Mama, thank you, Mama.
What's Dikeh? That means you're a good man.
Okay, Mama, thank you.
I'll get it.
How do I start now, Seth? This thing I want to tell man.
Balance well.
Mommy, you bring food for me. See, but Mommy,
yes.
I actually came here to tell you something about Ezine.
Yes. But finish your food first, then we'll talk about Ezine.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
What doesn't come well here?
Mommy, You are a good cook.
I know. Onyaki Nigerian.
Mommy, please can I get extra pepper to this?
Extra pepper again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You know, Mommy used to put pepper for us when they put for us.
I will get the pepper. Bob and walk up here, but no me go.
Mommy, thank you, ma'am.
I will get the pepper.
Isn't it?
What is in the said? Is it true?
Mommy, I'm very sorry. You see, it is not my fault. You see, I love Izine very, very much. It is my father that is the problem.
It's your father, it is not your fault. You fell out there, eh? So you knew you wanted to put my daughter, yet you came here, sat down, eating my rice and asking for extra pepper.
Mommy, I actually wanted to tell you before I eat. You said I should go on first, and when I finish...
Ibewu, when you knew what you were here for, you decided to finish eating. So your father thinks that an Igbo girl, an educated one for that matter, is not good enough for you, okay?
Why can't anyone understand me now, eh? You should allow my father to disinherit me.
To disinherit you? You're disinherited from here. Get out. Get up and get out.
Mama, now I came here now to beg you to help me bring us in a bag. Now, to reach my father.
You bring us in there. Are you not the one that married this small man? Look at TV. Come and get into this guy. Get out.
My inheritance is...
I'm off here. Inheritance. What are you going to hire for chase? Believe I say about one cup. If we are here. Come up here. You see how men are? You see how they are? They are very wicked, even the tiniest of them. They will use you, then they dump you. Nekira, our boyfriend, you just said your bloom one way fat, okay? Eh? You allowed him to you know, on your body. I don't even want to say alone. I warned you that little men are very troublesome. You said no. You said you could carry him and do whatever. See the result. Now he's the one that has carried you. And look at you, he overused you. He overused you. I don't know why you didn't make you. You
and only you, you're the answer to my prayers, and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I wanna spend my whole life with you. You, no one else will do. You and only you, you're the answer to my prayers, and yes to the no says, and there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you.
I don't just know why they will not understand me. Eh? Selfish people. See now, will they feed me if I lose my inheritance? Will they? This isn't people, eh? Now, if I lose my father's inheritance now, what will now live to survive in future?
What is wrong with the man?
Nothing. Nothing is wrong with him. It's not his fault.
Whose fault is it then?
He's the one who is not seeing what his daughter is going through.
It is your fault. It is Mama's fault. It is Ezine's fault. You were the ones who always rejected everybody I brought. Oria, every single girl I presented before you, you turned her down. Now we have become the people whom everybody rejects now. And you are asking me whose fault is it? Like you don't know? Continue. Ologonu. And you did a good thing by shedding off that good for nothing boy, because you don't need a boy like that. You need a proper man. Somebody who can stand his ground and build a home. Not one who will always crawl back to his father to beg for crumbs and I'm waiting for some inheritance. Imagine the cheek of it.
Please tell Uloma that I would love to see her.
You did not hear when I told you that the father warned me sternly not to ever cross their house again. That if I continued my relationship with the daughter, he would disown her. You know when I get that one. He said me jekwazo, gebelunishi.
Olugo to her.
Olugo wegabe. I will make it a talk and jeba really. Okay, video. Okay, Lulu.
The poor boy must be very worried by now.
What should I do?
I think you should go and look for him.
No, mommy. Not after everything I said last night.
Don't sound that way. He would want to see you. Yes. Just go and look for him, please. Okay?
Can I make use of your car?
Why not? You know where my car keys are. Just go. Okay? Please.
Alright, mommy.
I just want you to take things easy. Alright? Don't stress yourself. You know your father is very difficult and you really need to be patient in following him.
It's okay, mother.
Okay? Just take it easy, okay?
I will, mother.
Will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says. And there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you. You, no one else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says. And there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. I want to spend my whole life with you. You, no one else will do. You and only you. You're the answer to my prayers and yes to the no says. And there's nothing I won't do to be beside you. She know this, she know that. As a matter of fact, I like that. Now she be my one and only, my super baby. She did this house, she did that house, but I cannot leave her now. You better mind yourself, now my baby be that you. I like him so. I like him so. Our love got a flow. she believe I'm for me, cause I like him so, 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 so. I like him so. Our love got to flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she believe I'm for me, cause I like him so. I like him so. I like him so. Flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she believe I'm for me, cause I like him so, 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 so. Our love got to flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she believe I'm for me, cause I like him so, 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 so. Our love got to flow, flow, flow. Anyhow she believe I'm for me, cause I like him so.